Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably found yourself staring at a fridge full of leftovers and wondering, what on earth am I going to do with this? Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving into the magical world of repurposing leftovers and turning yesterday's meal into today's feast. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's take a look at what we've got. I've got some roasted chicken from last night's dinner, a bit of leftover rice, and some steamed veggies that are just begging to be transformed into something spectacular. The key here is to get creative. Repurposing leftovers isn't just about saving money, it's about giving new life to food and having some fun in the kitchen. All right, let's kick things off with one of my all-time favorites, chicken fried rice. This dish is super easy, quick, and you can customize it to your heart's content. Here's what you'll need: your leftover chicken, shredded or chopped, a cup of leftover rice, day-old rice works best, any leftover veggies you have, carrots, peas, bell peppers, let's throw them all in, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a couple of eggs to tie it all together. Now let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your veggies in a hot pan. You want them to have a little crunch, so don't cook them too long. Once they're looking good, add in your chicken. Next up, throw in that leftover rice. Break it apart with your spatula so it mixes well with everything. Now, here comes the magic. Add a splash of soy sauce and sesame oil. The aroma is already making my mouth water. And finally, let's whisk in a couple of eggs to bind it all together. Stir it around for a few minutes, and boom! You've got a delicious chicken fried rice that's way better than takeout. Okay, so what if you have a ton of veggies left over? Let's whip up some veggie stir-fry quesadillas. They're crispy, cheesy, and oh so satisfying. Here's what you'll need: your leftover veggies, tortillas, flour or corn your choice, cheese, lots of it. I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella, salsa or guacamole for dipping. Now let's get sizzling. Just like before, sauté those veggies until they're heated through and a little bit caramelized. Now it's time to assemble our quesadillas. Take a tortilla, sprinkle some cheese on one half, add your sautéed veggies, and top with more cheese because, well, why not? Fold it over and pop it in the skillet until it's golden brown and melty. Look at that cheesy goodness! Once it's ready, slice it up and serve it with some salsa or guacamole. You've got yourself a fun and crispy way to enjoy those leftovers.